Hey yogis, Amanda here. Today we're going to work on another pose to help relieve lower back pain. This is called cat-cow and it's one of my favorite poses, so I hope you enjoy it. Let's start on our hands and knees. If you have any knee issues, make sure to put a blanket or pillows or some other padding underneath the knees. Tops of the feet can be on the floor or you can curl the toes. Again, whatever feels good for you. So again, knees are hip distance. You want your hands about shoulder width apart. If you have wide shoulders, then maybe just a little bit wider than shoulder width. Now, make sure that you're pressing your palms down into the floor. Fingers are spread and almost like you're gripping a basketball. Okay, you want to make sure that your hands are engaged. Lengthen up through the arms. Have a nice long spine even here. And then we're going to begin our cat-cow. So you're going to inhale, belly down, chest forward, chin and pelvis up. Exhale, round the back, tuck everything in. So our cow is belly down, chest forward. Our cat is rounding the back, tucking everything in. You can do this for a few iterations following your breath. Again, you're exhaling on your cat, inhaling for cow. You should be feeling a really good stretch through the belly and especially the shoulders and the back. And that's it. That is our cat-cow. Hey yogis, I forgot to share a very important modification for cat-cow. So, grab a chair if you need one. If you're unable to get onto your knees and hands and that is just not accessible for you, you can sit in a chair and get the same benefits from the pose. Clyde said so too. So, you want your feet about hip distance apart. Hands can just be resting on your thighs. And we're going to do the same movement, but we're just going to do it in a chair. So, we're going to breathe in and stick out our chest, chin up, exhale, round the back. Come forward with the shoulders. So this is our cow, belly out, chin up, exhale, rounding the back for cat. Bring it all in. And again, you'll still get that nice stretch through the belly and the neck. And also, you should feel a little bit in the back as you round, especially through the shoulders and the neck. And then coming back up. And that's cat-cow modified. Have a great day. Namaste.